Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. If you're feeling that post-holiday lull and wondering how to keep your farmhouse cozy without the Christmas sparkle, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're transforming our spaces into serene winter havens that celebrate the quiet beauty of the season. I'm so excited to share these calming, comfortable ideas with you. So if you love creating a home that feels like a warm hug, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embrace those peaceful winter farmhouse vibes, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite winter decorating tip. Let's start where every journey home begins, your farmhouse facade. After packing away those twinkling lights, your exterior deserves a fresh winter identity. Think natural elements that honor the season's simplicity. A beautiful dried wreath made from eucalyptus or cotton stems on your front door creates instant charm. Flank your entrance with galvanized metal planters filled with evergreen branches and birch logs for that authentic farmhouse aesthetic. Consider adding a vintage lantern or two with battery-operated candles for gentle illumination during those early winter evenings. The key is embracing what I call quiet beauty, decorations that whisper rather than shout, creating an inviting first impression that says, "Come in and stay a while." Your entryway works overtime during winter months, so let's make it both functional and gorgeous. Start with a rustic wooden bench or settle for removing snowy boots. Top it with a chunky knit throw in cream or soft gray. Above, install a row of cast iron hooks for coats and scarves, keeping everything accessible yet tidy. A large distressed mirror not only checks your look but bounces precious winter light around. Below, arrange a shoe cabinet with a weathered finish to hide the clutter. Layer a natural jute mat with a smaller patterned runner for texture and warmth. Add a galvanized tray for keys and a ceramic bowl for small essentials, finishing with a simple pottery vase holding dried wheat or pampas grass for organic winter elegance. Transform your living room into the ultimate winter retreat by embracing what designers call hygge, that Danish concept of cozy contentment. Your foundation starts with furniture. A comfortable slip-covered sofa in warm white or oatmeal linen sets the perfect farmhouse tone. Layer with textured throw pillows in various neutrals. Think cable knit, linen, and soft wool. Drape chunky knit blankets casually over the arm for instant coziness. Create a conversation area with a reclaimed wood coffee table, styled minimally with a wooden dough bowl filled with natural elements like pine cones and cinnamon sticks. Swap bright Christmas colors for muted winter whites, soft grays, and warm taupes. The secret is creating layers of texture that invite you to curl up and linger. Winter days are short, so lighting becomes absolutely crucial in maintaining that warm farmhouse atmosphere. Replace your Christmas string lights with softer, more subtle options. Edison bulb fixtures or wrought iron chandeliers provide authentic farmhouse character while casting a gentle glow. On side tables, place ceramic or wooden base lamps with linen shades for task lighting that doesn't feel harsh. The magic happens when you layer your lighting. Overhead for functionality, table lamps for ambience, and pillar candles in varying heights on your mantle or coffee table for romantic flicker. Consider installing a dimmer switch if you haven't already. It's a game changer for creating mood. This layered approach, called ambient lighting design, makes your space feel intentionally cozy rather than accidentally dim. If you're blessed with a fireplace, it's the natural heart of your winter farmhouse living room. After removing Christmas stockings and garland, give your mantle a fresh, minimal winter styling. Start with a large vintage window frame or oversized mirror as your anchor piece. This adds architectural interest without overwhelming. Flank with simple white ceramic pitchers holding dried branches or cotton stems. Add candlesticks in varying heights with cream pillar candles for soft illumination. A wooden sign with a simple winter quote or a collection of vintage books stacked casually brings personality. Keep the color palette monochromatic with whites, creams, and natural wood tones. This less is more approach lets the beauty of each piece shine while maintaining that serene winter vibe we're creating. Your dining table deserves a beautiful winter transformation that works for everyday meals and impromptu gatherings. Begin with a table runner in natural linen or burlap. This creates a foundation that's both practical and pretty. For your centerpiece, embrace what I call organic elegance. A long wooden dough bowl filled with white pumpkins, birch bark pieces, and battery-operated fairy lights creates magic without fuss. Layer in white dishes with simple texture. Beadboard or basket weave patterns add farmhouse character. Choose vintage-inspired flatware and linen napkins tied with twine or tucked into galvanized napkin rings. Place small bud vases with single stems of eucalyptus at each setting for a thoughtful detail. The goal is a table that looks effortlessly collected, ready for both quiet family dinners and unexpected guests. The kitchen is where farmhouse style truly shines, especially during winter when we're baking and cooking comfort foods. Start with your open shelving. Replace holiday dishes with everyday white ironstone or vintage-inspired ceramics displayed in neat stacks. On countertops, corral cooking essentials in wire baskets or galvanized containers for that collected farmhouse look. Style your refrigerator area simply. A vintage-style calendar, and a few magnetic clips holding family photos keep it personal without clutter. Near your stove, display wooden spoons and utensils in a large ceramic crock. Your small coffee station deserves special attention. Arrange your coffee maker with a wooden tray, vintage canister for beans, and a small chalkboard sign. These thoughtful touches create what designers call functional beauty. Everything serves a purpose while looking absolutely charming. The kitchen window offers a perfect opportunity for creating a charming winter display that catches natural light beautifully. Start with simple white cafe curtains or natural linen panels that filter light while maintaining privacy. On the windowsill, create a layered vignette using elements of varying heights. Begin with small ceramic pitchers or vintage bottles, each holding sprigs of eucalyptus or dried lavender. Add a small wooden cutting board leaned against the wall, a white ceramic soap dispenser, and perhaps a tiny potted herb like rosemary. It's both decorative and functional. A white enamelware colander or small wire basket can hold fresh fruit, adding organic color. This approach, called collected styling, makes your kitchen feel lived in and loved rather than staged. The key is keeping everything in a cohesive, neutral palette. Create a dedicated family room space that balances entertainment with that cozy farmhouse aesthetic we're cultivating. Position your flat-screen TV above a rustic wooden console or vintage dresser repurposed as a media stand. This grounds the modern technology in farmhouse charm. Style the console simply. Stack vintage books, add a small potted succulent, and include woven baskets below for remote controls and throws. Arrange seating to face both the TV and each other, promoting conversation. A large sectional in neutral fabric provides ample seating, dressed with an abundance of textured pillows. Add a poof or two for flexible seating. Beside the sofa, place a small wooden side table with a table lamp for reading. The goal is creating what interior designers call a multifunctional zone, perfect for movie nights and family game time alike. As we embrace more time at home during winter months, a well-designed workspace becomes essential. Choose a compact wooden desk with a weathered or natural finish, something that feels more furniture piece than office equipment. Position it near a window for natural light and inspiring views. Add a comfortable upholstered chair. If budget allows, choose one in cream linen or soft gray fabric. On your desk, keep only essentials visible. A small vintage-style desk clock adds charm while keeping you punctual, and a simple pottery container corrals pens beautifully. A small radio provides background music without the distraction of screens. Above your desk, install floating wooden shelves for books and storage baskets. Add a small plant and perhaps one framed inspirational print. This creates what's called a curated workspace, minimal yet motivating. where productivity meets farmhouse peace. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook, a personal sanctuary for those long winter afternoons. Start with a comfortable upholstered armchair in a neutral fabric. A wingback style adds traditional farmhouse charm. Position it near a window to maximize natural light for daytime reading. Add a small round side table within easy reach for your tea or coffee. A floor lamp with an adjustable arm provides perfect task lighting for evening reading sessions. Layer your chair with a chunky knit throw and a couple of soft pillows for ultimate comfort. Nearby, install a simple floating shelf or small bookcase to keep your current reads accessible. A small woven basket at the chair's base can hold extra throws or magazines. This intimate space embraces what Scandinavians call koselig, that sense of intimate warmth and contentment that makes winter absolutely wonderful. Your bedroom should be the most peaceful space in your home, especially during winter when we're spending extra hours there. Start with your bed as the focal point. A weathered wood or wrought iron bed frame provides authentic farmhouse character. Layer your bedding thoughtfully. Crisp white sheets topped with a textured matelass coverlet or linen duvet, then add a chunky knit throw at the foot. Choose pillows in varying sizes and textures, sticking to a neutral palette of whites, creams, and soft grays. Flank your bed with simple nightstands. Even vintage stools work beautifully, topped with ceramic base lamps and small personal touches. Above the bed, hang a large vintage window frame, rustic wooden sign, or a simple wreath for visual interest. Keep window treatments simple with white or natural linen curtains that puddle slightly at the floor. The details make your farmhouse bedroom truly special during winter months. Add a vintage wooden ladder leaned against the wall as a blanket display. This provides both storage and visual interest. Place a comfortable upholstered bench or trunk at the foot of your bed for seating and extra storage. On your dresser, create a simple vignette with a large mirror, a wooden tray corralling personal items, and a small vase with dried stems. Consider adding a small area rug in natural fiber beside your bed. Stepping onto soft texture instead of cold floors matters on winter mornings. Replace any bright or bold decor with subtle, calming pieces, perhaps a vintage white pitcher, a stack of favorite books, or a small potted plant. This layering of soft, neutral elements creates what designers call sensory comfort, a room that feels as good as it looks. Transform your bathroom into a winter spa retreat with thoughtful farmhouse touches. Start at your vanity. If you have a traditional builder-grade model, consider replacing the mirror with a large vintage window frame with mirror behind, or a round wooden framed mirror for instant character. Style your waste-to-fill area with a white ceramic soap dispenser, a small pottery tray for daily essentials, and a tiny bud vase with eucalyptus. Replace plastic shower curtains with a crisp white cotton or linen version, hung from wrought iron rings. Add texture with white or natural tone towels displayed on vintage-style hooks or a wooden ladder shelf. Place a small wooden stool near the shower for towels or a potted plant. These simple swaps create what's called elevated everyday luxury, making daily routines feel special and spa-like. The finishing touches complete your farmhouse bathroom transformation. Add a woven basket or galvanized container to store extra towels and washcloths. This keeps necessities accessible while looking intentionally styled. Place a small wooden tray on the toilet tank holding a white ceramic canister with cotton balls, a small candle, and perhaps a tiny succulent. If you have open shelving, style it with rolled white towels, woven baskets for toiletries, and small decorative elements like white ceramic vessels. Consider adding a simple white bath mat that's plush underfoot. Layering a smaller pattern mat on top adds visual interest. Near the shower, install a simple shelf or niche for shampoo bottles. Choose matching white or clear bottles if possible for a cohesive look. These details create a bathroom that feels less utilitarian and more like a daily retreat. Yes, even your garage deserves farmhouse love. This often overlooked space can be both functional and beautiful. Start by adding pegboard walls painted white or left natural for tool organization. This instantly makes everything feel more intentional. Install open wooden shelving for bins and seasonal items. Choose matching containers for a cohesive look. If space allows, add a small workbench area with a wooden surface and vintage-style metal legs. Above, hang task lighting in an industrial farmhouse style. Think Edison bulbs in wire cages. Consider painting your garage walls white to brighten the space and make it feel cleaner. Add hooks for bikes, sports equipment, and garden tools. A small vintage rug defines a workspace area. Even adding simple elements like a wall-mounted bottle opener or a vintage sign brings personality to this hard-working space, proving farmhouse style works everywhere. Don't abandon your farmhouse patio just because Christmas is over. With the right winter styling, it becomes a beautiful extension of your indoor spaces. Start by storing delicate furniture, but leave sturdy wooden pieces arranged for visual interest. They look lovely dusted with snow. Add a weatherproof outdoor rug in natural tones to define your space. Fill large galvanized planters with evergreen branches, birch logs, and berry stems for winter color and texture. If you have a covered porch, hang a simple dried wreath and add vintage lanterns with LED candles. Consider draping an outdoor throw over a bench. Choose one designed for the elements. A small wooden bench near the door holds boots and provides seating for putting them on. Even in winter, your patio should invite you outside for fresh air and peaceful moments, embodying that indoor-outdoor living farmhouses are known for. Make your winter patio truly inviting with these thoughtful additions. If you have outdoor seating, add weatherproof cushions in natural fabrics or weather-resistant neutrals. These provide comfort for those surprisingly mild winter days. Create a small outdoor vignette on a side table. A galvanized bucket filled with pine cones, a lantern, and perhaps a small vintage thermos, even if just decorative, suggests the possibility of outdoor coffee. Hang vintage-style outdoor string lights with larger Edison bulbs along your roofline or between posts. These provide ambient lighting for early evenings. Consider mounting window boxes beneath exterior windows filled with evergreen branches and stems. A vintage sled leaned against the wall or an old wooden ladder add farmhouse character without requiring care. These elements create what landscape designers call four-season interest, proving your outdoor spaces are valuable year-round, not just in summer months. Keeping your winter farmhouse looking fresh requires some simple maintenance habits. Rotate your throw blankets and pillows weekly, giving them a good shake and fluff to maintain their cozy appearance. Dust your dried arrangements regularly. They collect dust quickly but last months with proper care. Check your candles and replace them before they burn too low. Nothing disrupts farmhouse charm like a completely melted candle. Wash your white linens monthly to keep them bright and fresh. Add a bit of vinegar to your wash for natural brightening. Vacuum area rugs regularly and rotate them to prevent uneven wear. Wipe down your wooden surfaces with appropriate cleaners to prevent winter dryness from damaging the finish. These simple habits, what professionals call proactive maintenance, keep your spaces looking magazine-worthy without requiring complete redesigns. Your future self will thank you for these easy routines. And there we have it, friends. A complete guide to creating those calm, comfortable winter farmhouse vibes after Christmas. Remember, the beauty of farmhouse style is its emphasis on simplicity, natural elements, and comfortable living. You don't need to implement every idea at once. Choose what resonates with you and your space. Start with one room, maybe your living room or bedroom, and build from there. The goal isn't perfection. It's creating a home that welcomes you at the end of each winter day. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration delivered straight to you. Comment below and tell me which room you're tackling first. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating spaces that make your heart happy. Happy decorating!